guys, we're about to start the video, but before we start the video, we'd like you to
like,
subscribe, and share. Thank you guys. Let's get into this video.
Yeah.
I'll do it. Ooh, there are a lot of big places.
Ooh, like that. Can I pull something out, please?
Yeah, pull something out.
I'll do it randomly. Ooh, which one? Minifigures in this one.
I got bag number 6.
I got bag number 2.
Bag number
1.
Bag number 3.
Bag number 8.
Bag number 5.
Bag not overboard. Please overboard.
Bag number 7.
Bag 7.
Bag number 4.
I'll sort everything.
Oh, guys, there's another bag. Bag number 9. So, according to my calculations, there should be 9 bags in this double set, which makes it a very big double set.
Where's 5?
5,
6.
4, 3, 2. Where's number 1?
Number 1 is right there. Oh, it could fit on our table, guys. So, guys, this is the instruction pad. That's what I'll be opening up. So, let me get into this first. So, we do that and boop. All we need to do is put those. Oh, there's more than one instructions. Let me get them out. 1. The
Helicopter.
I'll do that. You can do the ambulance after. Because wait, what?
This is the ambulance.
Okay, you do that.
Oh, ambulance, helicopter.
Oopsies. Oh, this one isn't too big.
Okay, maybe we need to.
Hiya.
Cover.
Hiya.
And this is
This
the
is the
hospital.
hospital. 1. This is 1. 1.
Okay. I'm going to be doing this.
So guys, this is the final review of our Lego City set. And
Hello guys, thank you for watching our video today. If you like the video, please remember to subscribe, like, and share. And so that you can continue enjoying more content, please follow up on our page. We post videos. Thank you for watching our videos. We will see you in the next one. Bye.